Welcome to my channel. I hope you are in the best of your health. In today's video, I'm going to share few upper body exercises using only a pair of dumbbells. Here you can find both the beginner and advanced version of these exercises. A set of 5 exercises meant to tone your arms, your triceps and your biceps. Remember to watch this video till the end. If you are a first time viewer to this channel, then I share new videos every weekend on fitness, diet, lifestyle and travel. Also, I share my daily workout routine and my daily diet on Instagram. So make sure to follow me on Instagram at FitTechieMom. So without any delay, grab your pair of dumbbells. If you do not have, you can use 1 liter water bottles also, and let's get started. The first exercise today is pronated curls, for which you have to stand and press down the dumbbells just like this. Stand shoulder width feet apart and just press down. Make it slow, do not rush into the repetitions. We'll do 15 repetitions. For an advanced version of this workout, lean yourself onto a wall or a door and use higher weights and repeat as Abhi does. So focus on slow and correct movements. The next exercise today is simple bicep curls. You are free to choose any weight as per your comfort. So where you just raise both your hands equally till your shoulders. The weights I am using is 3 kgs and the weights Abhi is using is 5 kgs each. So again, for the advanced version, lean yourself onto a wall. This puts more pressure on the biceps and helps in better toning, making it an advanced workout. Nevertheless, if you are a beginner, you can start with water bottles as well and tone your arms and say goodbye to arm fats. Again, we are targeting 15 repetitions here. Slow, composed movements. The third exercise today is hammer curls. Hold the dumbbells parallel to the ground and raise up to the shoulder level. For the advanced version, lean yourself into a wall and use higher weights. This exercises target your anterior and posterior bicep muscles, thereby toning your arms. These exercises can be done at the comfort of your home once or twice a week depending upon your workout schedule. Again, if you are a beginner, then do invest in a pair of 1 kg or 2 kg dumbbells, or if you cannot do that, start with water bottles. Working out has become extremely necessary in such trying times and is a necessity for improving your immunity. Now the next exercise is overhead extensions, where you use one hand and lift the dumbbell above your head and then below. The other hand goes behind your back, and for an advanced workout you just use higher weights, and this exercise targets your triceps. A very effective and good workout to be done in the comfort of your home. As I was saying, exercise is an integral part of life, and such trying times has made it inevitable to include exercise in your daily day-to-day routine. If you are a follower to my channel, you can find a lot of exercises on lower body workout, abs workout, easy walking workouts, which hardly takes 10 to 15 minutes. I'll link all of them in the description box below. Now we will target for 15 repetitions each side. We'll switch our arms and make 15 repetitions on each side of our arm. So the entire video completes one circuit of exercise. For every upper body or arm workout shown in this video, do not rush into the workout and focus on slow movements. The next one is lying overhead extension, which again focuses on the triceps muscles. Hold your hands straight and take the dumbbell near the floor. Keep your other hand just below the elbow, and that is the area where you feel the pressure. It helps in strengthening your triceps and toning them. We will again target for 15 repetitions on each side for these extensions. If you do not want to miss any such easy home-based beginner and workout routines, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember to keep this hand straight and support it with your other hand below your elbow, and repeat the same on the other side, 15 repetitions each. Be careful not to strain yourself by using higher weights than you can afford to. Now the correct weight is the weight which can let you do this exercise in correct form and leaves you tired after 12 to 13 repetitions. The next exercise is tricep kickbacks, for which stand with your leg wide apart and bend one leg and put the hand on the other shoulder. Hold your dumbbell just as shown. Your hand should be straight, and then start it when your elbow and hand is perpendicular to each other and just press backwards. This is also a wonderful workout for your triceps and strengthening your tricep muscles. This not only helps in strengthening and toning your arms, this is also very good for balancing. We will again target for 15 repetitions on each side. I am sure you would have loved this video. If so, please let me know in the comments box. If you do not want to miss any such awesome easy workouts on my channel, please click the subscribe button and do give me a thumbs up, because it motivates me to create more content. I hope you do this workout and tag me on Instagram at FitTechieMom. I will be elated to see your comments, see your videos or your pictures once you do this easy workout upper body routine at home. I hope you like this video. Please keep watching, subscribing and liking FitTechieMom. Thank you. Bye-bye.